Welcome back, traders. This is Nifty prediction for the 19th of September 2025. இங்க நம்ம பார்த்தோம்னா daily time frameல we have Tenkan-sen over Kijun-sen, and Tenkan-sen is also pointing up, Kijun-sen is also pointing up, so we are bullish here. Span A is crossing over Span B, so again that is another bullish sign, and Chiku is also pointing upwards. There is no resistance. Chiku is free, so again that is also bullish. That is in the daily time frame. So when we come over to the 4-hour time frame, Span A is over Span B, but Span A and Span B are consolidating. They are flat, so they are consolidating. Same thing with the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen. This is also flat. So we can expect maybe Nifty to come down to 25,250 range and take support there and move from there. As far as the Chiku is concerned, Chiku is pointing upwards and it's free. So we are still bullish, but we can expect a retracement to 25,250 on the 4-hour time frame. When we come to the 1-hour time frame, we can see that again here the cloud is bullish, but it's flat. Same thing applies with the Kijun and the Tenkan-sen. It's Tenkan-sen is over Kijun-sen, but it's flat. But if today Nifty has taken support, Nifty retested the Tenkan-sen, it has taken support in the Tenkan-sen and it has given a bullish move up. So we can expect Nifty to move higher from here. That is the expectation. Kijun-sen, the Chiku span is free, but it's flat. So we have to, we need Nifty to close above 25,450 for this to point upwards. So that is one thing that's happening. When we come to the 15 minutes time frame, usually we don't look at Ichimoku on the 15 minutes time frame. So I'll just let you know the support and resistance. The support and resistance for tomorrow market, if a 15-minute candle closes about 25,450, we are looking at 25,570, and if it closes below 25,330, we are looking at 25,200 250 range. So this is my range for tomorrow.